We're looking for a double rack clothes hanger. This could be it. I think this is super cute. I'm going to show you how I put it together, but you can see it hangs my clothes very nicely and it does have wheels. So here's all of the parts and they are labeled on the bags. So just make sure to keep the parts in the bags as you are putting it together. And here is the hardware as well. And then the instructions are pretty easy to follow. You can see them all laid out here. We have all of the items out and then we just started putting it together following the instructions, and it took about 30 minutes to put it together. We did use a drill on some of it just to help make it go faster as we were tightening different screws. But as you can see, you just put the bottom together, you put the wheels on, the casters on first, tighten those. I did put some of the bars in the opposite direction, but it didn't end up mattering because the screws still lined up. At the end, we could put all of the bars in the right way, and as you can see, we used the drill to tighten a little bit, and it went together pretty fast, and it seems like it's going to be pretty durable. I do like that it has the wheels on the bottom, and I will show you how they lock later on. But I am going to use this to display different clothing items when I do Amazon Lives, which I think this will be really nice. This does come in different colors. You can get it in gold or silver. I chose the classic black. And you can see we are putting the top bars on next, and then we will put the little plastic pieces in the ends of the bars to complete the look. So here is the finished product. It looks great. Love that it's on wheels, easy to move around, and it is stable as you can see. And then I will show you the wheels. So there's a lock on 2 of the wheels, so make sure and put those on the same side. And as you can see, it doesn't move when it's locked. And then here it is again at the final product with some clothes on it. So loving this so far and would definitely recommend.